So you just ground the tops off those, have you?
I'll just clean them up.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey guys, it's Michael here from Larn. I've got Shane from Moteck Machining and Cylinder Mowers here with us today. He's going to show us how he's taking this bottom blade off the sole plate of the groomer build. Looks like he's got some nuts he's going to weld on there and get them loosened off.
It's the heat that's going into the tight screw.
Yeah.
That does the job. Really, if you've got a welder, it's the easiest and quickest way to get these things out.
You do quick work.
Sorry?
You make quick work of this, tell you what.
That's it. Job done.
Thanks, Shane.
You're welcome. You might go get the girls in.
So anyway, Shane's got that bottom blade off for us. Thanks again, Shane, for your efforts there, mate.
You're welcome, Michael. My pleasure.
Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Click like if you enjoyed today's video. Drop us a comment or a question down below. And you can find us on Facebook and Instagram. I'll drop a link to Shane's Facebook page, Moteck Machining and Cylinder Mowers, in the video description as well. Catch you next time.
See you guys.